Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Typeform and embed interactive UI forms step by step clearly. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the Typeform website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button and create one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create Typeform button to start a new project. You will be prompted to choose a template or start from scratch. Select the option that best fits your needs. After selecting a template, you will be taken to the design interface. Here, you can customize the questions and layout of your form. Add different question types by clicking on the plus icon. Type your question into the text box and choose the appropriate question type. Continue adding questions until you have everything you need. Once satisfied with your form, click on the Publish button in the top right corner. Your form is now live and ready to be shared. To embed the form, go to the Share tab. Look for the Embed section on the left side of the screen. Choose the embed code that best suits your website's needs. You can select options like Standard Embed or Pop-up Embed. Click on the Copy button to copy the embed code to your clipboard. Now, head over to your website's content management system. Open the page or post where you want to embed the form. Switch to the HTML editor if necessary. Paste the copied embed code into the desired location. Save or publish your changes. Finally, check the front end of your website to ensure the form is displaying correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.